शयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यम्.
Hello kids, let's revise the topic verbs and tenses. This topic is also very important and it will be carried forward in many sections. So let's start with it. Let's see what are verbs first. Words that talk about some actions are called verbs. As we discussed initially also, whatever action you do, that words are called verbs. And so verbs are also called action words. As we studied nouns in short are called naming words, same as verbs in short are called action words. Now, what are tenses, children? Now, these verbs, whatever we studied about actions, they tell us whether something is happening now. Is the action happening right now? Or has the action already happened? Or is the action going to happen? Now, when the verbs tell us these things, these are called tenses. And there are three types of tenses which we studied. The first one is past tense. What is past tense? The past tense is used when we are talking about something that has already happened. When we are talking about an action which is completed, already happened, it is called past tense. Now children, how will we come to know whether the word is in past tense or not? Then we use D or ED to make the past tense form of verb. When we want to change any verb, simple verb into past tense, we need to add D or ED to it. Present tense. Present tense is used when we are talking about something which is happening now. Right now, you are listening to my voice. That is present tense. And most of the time, S is used to make the present tense form of verb. When you have to change a verb into present tense, you have to use S behind it. And the third one is future tense. Now, when you talk about what will happen later, which is not already happened, but is going to happen, you're talking something about the future. It can happen tomorrow or maybe next week or many years later. So something which is going to happen is called a future tense. And we use will before the verb to make the future tense form of verb. So whenever you want to change a tense into a future tense, a verb into a future tense, you have to use the word will before the verb. Now let's be very clear with some exercises here. Children, in your worksheet, there are few exercises given which will make you more clear. Like one of the exercises is fill in the missing verbs. Now there are three tenses given: past tense, present tense, future tense. Any verb, when you write in past tense, what do you add? D or ed. Present tense, what do you add? S. And future tense, what will you add? Will. See the first one, it is done for you. Liked, likes, will like. Now past tense form of look is given. Looked, present tense looks. What will be the future tense? Yes, you are correct. Will look. Now future tense is already given. Will play. So how will you make a past tense and a present tense of it? The past tense will be played and present tense plays. Again, present tense form of verb is given. Brushes. What will be the past tense of it? Brushed. And future tense will brush. Children, when you write future tense, behind the verb, you will not add any S, ED, D. it will remain a simple form of verb. Now see the next one. Walked is given. What will be the present tense of walked? Walks. And future tense? Will walk. Now present tense is given. Watches. So past tense will be watched. And future tense will be will watch. Bake. Baked, bakes and will bake. Clean, cleans, will clean. The next exercise is match the verbs. Present tense and past tense are given and you have to match it. So, rise. What is the present tense? Present tense is rise. What is the past tense of rise? Yes, it is rose. Think. Find out the past tense of think. Yes, thought. Do. What will be the past tense of do? Did. Make. Made. Sleep. Slept. Go. Went. Hang. Hung. Run. Ran. Write. Wrote. See. Saw. Children, these are the words which when you have to change it into past tense, you don't add D or ED. But the word changes a little bit. Few spelling changes. And these are called irregular verbs. Now an interesting exercise. Color the verb marks using the color below. Now if it is the present tense verb, you have to color red. If it is past tense verbs, you have to color yellow. And if it is future tense, you have to color green. Now what are the rules to find out whether it is a past tense, present tense or future tense? For past tense, you need to find out whether it is ending with D or ED. For future tense, you need to find out will is added or not. And for present tense, it should be either S or simple verb. Now let's see. Will play will be future tense, so green color. Running can be called as a present tense, so it will be red color. Jumped, D is added, so it will be past tense. Baking, if it is ending with ing, children, it can always be a present tense form. Okay, so baking will be a present tense. Cried ends with D, so it will be past tense. Will visit, whenever there is will before the verb, it will be future tense. Wondering, present tense. Sang, it becomes a past tense, it's an irregular verb. Swimming, present tense. Fished, D is added, so past tense. Will try, will is added, so future tense. Carried will be past tense. Would you like to see how will this worksheet look after coloring? Let's see. See children, this is how you have to color this worksheet. Now next exercise is circle the action verbs, that is verbs, and write whether it is past, present or future. So see the first sentence, Leela blew her nose. What is blew? Blew is an action word, right? Now which form it is? Past, present or future? It is in past tense, an irregular form of verb. Next sentence, he likes movies. What is an action word? Likes. And whenever it ends with S, which tense it is? Yes, it's a present tense. We will watch a movie. What is an action word? Yes, will watch. And whenever there is a word will, which tense? You are correct, children. It is future tense. You will be late. Will be late. Okay, the whole thing is an action. Will be late. And it is which tense? Again, future tense. Ravi enjoyed this book. So what is a verb in this? Action is enjoyed and it ends with D. If it ends with D, what tense? Yes, it is the past tense. She walks every day, which is an action word here. Yes, walks. What it ends with? If it ends with S, which tense it is? Yes, it is a present tense. We ate dinner late. Action is ate. Ate is a past tense of eat, children. So this is a past tense form of verb. Eat is a present tense. Ate is a past tense. He will go with you. Will go, and whenever there is will, it becomes very easy to find out. It is a future tense. Children, isn't the topic now very easy for you? Yes, the three tenses are very easy if you understand them. Okay, so if an action is already finished, completed, it is past tense ending with D or ED. If the action is going on right now, it is present tense ending with S or without S. And if the action is going to happen, it is future tense, always added will before the verb. If you remember this much, tenses are very easy for us. Bye everybody.